Let's go now. See. Another phone?
No go.
How can this small girl leave the phone? Leave her. No, I must collect it too. No. This is quick. Let's go. This Easter no show for us. This Easter don't show up that if we collect that third one. No, let's go. Yeah, I'll collect it. Wait. Hey! I told you. She's not married. With another phone? She's not married. Hey. No, wait, I want to peace. Let me hold. She's not married. Wait, now, Colette, let me peace. I want to use myself now. Let me use myself. What are you going to take? I want peace also. Me, I want peace. Hey! I stay on my own. No. Shut up. I was sitting down here. Shut up. You got not to collect that thing. I told you not to collect that thing from her. I was on my own. No, you're not coming to go and collect phone. If I slap you, are you not the one that called me? When I want to know from this, you always argue. What do you cause? Are you not the one that called me? You always argue for what do you know? You be the cause. Okay, fine. Let's return this thing. Who? You are who? You take go and return it. Me, I should go to a bank and get to go and return phone. How? Somebody will collect that telephone from me. And she's still holding another one. No time for argument. Let's return this thing. See, you know say you they always get sense. See, you know say you get sense past me. And you keep going get now. I'm Hey! Who's get one now? Who's get bathroom with this one? Who's get bathroom with this one? No, he's my friend. He's my friend.
So this is what you do?
No. I've never tried to my life.
No, give me the second phone.
No, he's not with me. He's with my friend.
So can I take Papa's phone?
No, a thief.
So you're a thief?
No, I'm not a thief.
Phone me to lock your body.
No. Please, forgive me. I don't want to die. No, please. Please, forgive me. I beg you.
I'm not forgiving you.
Hey! What kind of trouble is this? No, sir. I told you I was sitting on my own. So we should go. I'll collect the phone. This house, he must pay tax too. This one when they talk so. Come on.
You see, they can't slap when I'll tear this engineer.
You come here, come build these mansions here and say you're not settling boys. Me. Musa? Please. No, it wasn't me. It was my brother. No, sorry, my friend. I said we should come and collect phone. I said no, I beg.
So what is it? Can I
No, not really. Huh? Not really. No, it's just that.
give me the phone.
Thank you. Yes.
Am I laughing?
No.
Why are you laughing?
Sorry.